Hello students, this is Chef Sundar Srinivasan from AI SSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. This session is to familiarize you with the step-by-step process for the AI CTE 360-degree feedback process. This is a compulsory process for all the students of the BHM-CT program. Please go through the session carefully and make sure you complete the entire feedback process in the given stipulated time. This session is for familiarizing you with the mobile version of the 360-degree feedback app. On your mobile phones, you need to go on to the Play Store or App Store and search for Smart Student app. Make sure this logo is the same that you search for. Once you find this, please make sure you install this particular app on your phone. Once it is installed, open the app and the first page will show you the welcome screen along with a login and sign up option. Please click on the login option. Once you click on the login option, it will take you to the next screen wherein it will ask you for your login credentials. Login credentials will be shared with you wherein your email and password will be shared with you. By default, let the email option be as it is. The second option is the institute ID, which is constant for everyone as seen on the screen. The third option is your email ID, which will be shared, followed by the password that will be shared with you. Once these details are put, click on login. As you log in, the next page will be the MHRD screen with a timer on top, which will count down from 12 to 0. Let the countdown get over and then it will shift to the next screen, which will be the home screen. On the home screen, you will see your name and your ID given on the left. On the right, you will find the 3 dots on which you need to tap. And once you tap on it, you will find the options in the menu. You need to select the first option, that is 360-degree feedback option. Once you click on 360-degree feedback option, the next screen will ask you to select a teacher. You will find the list of teachers of the entire institute. As you tap on the requisite teacher, it will ask you for the year of the academic year that needs to be chosen. Tap on edit and it will take you to a next screen which gives you option of various academic years. You need to select the fourth option, that is 2020-2021. As you tap on the year that you select, it will take you to the subjects. So the teacher has taught you certain subjects in the particular year. You need to tap on that particular subject. You need to keep in mind that you are going to give feedback for the entire academic year of 2020-21, which means there are 2 semesters involved in the academic year, and you need to be giving feedback for the faculty who taught you in both the semesters, that is odd or even semesters. So you can select the subject, and as you select the subject, as you tap on the subject, it will take you to a next screen where you need to mark the faculty members for the questions being asked with stars. As you go down to the questions further, to the 9th question, wherein you can give comments if required, if you want. Once you do that, you need to click on submit button. After you submit, you need to restart the process for all the faculty members and all the subjects. Once it is done, you can exit your app. We will be sharing the login credentials and the password with you all very soon. Thank you very much and hope that you are able to complete this in time. Thank you and bye-bye.